supposed to be any more students.
Ooh.
But I thought summer school was over. It's been like almost a month.
Just school not there. Let's start. Let me start school. Let me count summer
So what
camp.
is it?
With jelly bean belly tour. You know. We tour the jelly bean factory.
There's even a candy corn and a little bit of jelly bean.
Going on the jelly bean tour.
It's weird that they Yeah, yeah.
Chinese New Year horse. I love those jelly beans.
Too many flavors.
Let's have a look at what's happening on the floor below. This entire wing is dedicated to one purpose. Welcome to the packaging department. This is actually the last stop of the Jelly Belly Jelly Beans journey. But today, it's your first look at some of the most mesmerizing parts of modern day manufacturing. Here, Jelly Belly Jelly Beans are packed into bags and boxes on their way out of the factory into store shelves near you. Humans and machines are both hard at work here. Workers learn packaging. We can pack 50 individual Jelly Belly Bean flavors in specific compartments thanks to this machine. The base of the box is folded, glued, and shaped, while a plastic tray liner is added. Each liner has compartments that the machine will fill with those individual flavors. And filling 50 flavors at a time is something that, wouldn't you know it, only Jelly Belly does. Before this step is automated, it's right. Machine pockets up the Jelly Belly Jelly Bean bags and form, seal, and seamless motion. To bring each individual flavor away. For example, peach puree is added right to the pile of slurry here. Real ingredients are just unique whenever possible to flavor and color what will become the center of the bean.
Look at the robot's arms picking it up.
Real coffee for cappuccino and real
I know. Where you go there?
I can open.
Mimi, which one did you get? Watch out. You got lemon lime?
It's my favorite.
Your favorite one? Is there any other one you want? I know you like it. Okay, so oh, you fresh.